Assuming you are online on a website reading and the site contains text and figures, saving it in a PDF or PNG file format may be the most desirable option for your later reading. Hello, you're welcome to Science Reading with Glory Valentine. In today's lesson, we will have a quick look at how to save a web page in a PDF or PNG file format. Let's get started.
We will use the Google Chrome first, then the second will be the Firefox browser. On the URL, let's type today's news. For example, we have here today's news headlines. Enter. Okay, this is the headline. We click on that to read. Since we know we have a lot of text here, to save it for later reading, you click on these three dots which shows customize and control copy room. Click on it and go down to where you have print, or you can simply press on your keyboard Ctrl+P for the shortcut. So click on print. Here you can see the preview. On the left you'll see different printers which you have. So you click on the drop down here if you don't have save as PDF to choose save as PDF. Then for the pages, since here we have a total number of pages is 6. If you want to save maybe only from the first page to the third page, you can likewise customize it by clicking on this drop down menu and go to customize and then write the number of pages you want to, like 1 to 3. You have a preview of only 1 to 3, the first, the second and third pages which you want to. Otherwise, you can choose all to have all the pages which you want to save. Click on the save. Mine is on the desktop. You can save it to any destination you want to. Here, I will save it on the desktop and the file name type news. I'll save it as news. Click on save. Confirm that you have saved it. Go to your file explorer and then on your desktop, here it is, news. So you scroll, it means it has saved for your later reading and you will be able to read this offline. For the second method, you click on the customize and control copy room and go to where you have more tools. From more tools, go to developers tools. Click on it. Here we have. So in these developers tools, you can dock it to any site you want. I decided to dock it to the left hand side. You can as well dock it as a separate window. It depends on any way that is favorable or good for you to work with. So this is the news that we were reading. Click on this three icon again and you will see here capture screen. When you click on this capture screen, it will simply save this file as a portable network graphics, that is the PNG file. So click on it, capture the screen. You can see it has automatically downloaded it here as a PNG file. So I'll click here on this arrow show in folder or you can simply click on where it says open, and it will be good for you to know that this file that has been saved, you can open it offline for your later reading. So let's open it to see how the file has been saved. So this is the screenshot which has been saved. So we have our two methods here from Chrome here, and go to our Firefox browser, double click on it, paste it on the address bar, enter. Okay, here we have the same information. So click on the open application menu. It has 3 lines here. You will see print. Click on print, and this you can also read it offline when you save it as a PDF file. But if you click here on the 3 icon and then you click on save page as, it's gonna be in HTML file, which if you want to open it, you will still need internet connection. It has to be open on a browser. But if you click the print command and you save it as a PDF file, this is a preview of it. Under destination, you click on it and choose save to PDF. Okay, and the orientation, you choose the orientation that you want. For the number of pages, you can specify the pages here by clicking on the custom and then write the actual number or the chosen page which you want to save. Otherwise, if you want all the information for later reading, you can as well click on all so that you save all the information. Then click here, save. I still want my destination to be on the desktop, so I will save it as news today. Save. So let's go to our desktop to confirm whether it has been saved as a PDF file. Here we have news today. Double click on it, and this is what we have saved. So from here you can read it offline. Here we will use the Opera browser. We'll paste the same link which we were using for Google Chrome and Firefox. So we paste it here and click on enter, and this we have the same news. See the third icon here says snapshots. We have capture full screen. If you want to capture the entire screen, the full screen of what you're having, or you can save page as PDF file. Click on save page as PDF file. Here we can rename news underscore Opera. Okay, then let's still maintain the same destination. Click on save, then go to your file explorer. From there, desktop, the last document we saved was news underscore PDF. So here we have it being saved as a PDF file. We still have another option there. When you click on capture screen, you can capture the entire screen and then save the copy. It will be saved as PNG file. You can as well take any action that you want. If you want to read an underline before saving it, you can highlight it as well before saving. Click on save. It will save as a PNG file. Same method, you have to choose the file location in which you want to desktop download document, and also give a proper file name for easy search.
Thank you for watching.